Welcome to our YouTube video on how to write a dissertation discussion chapter that aligns with your research paradigm. The discussion chapter is a critical component of your dissertation as it allows you to interpret and analyze your findings in the context of your research objectives and theoretical framework. In this video, we will explore effective strategies to help you write a discussion chapter that aligns with your research paradigm. By following these strategies, you can ensure that your discussion chapter reflects the theoretical underpinnings and philosophical assumptions of your research. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand your research paradigm. The first step is to understand your research paradigm, which encompasses your epistemological and ontological beliefs. Are you adopting a positivist, interpretivist, or critical paradigm? Each paradigm has its own set of assumptions and approaches to knowledge generation. Understanding your research paradigm is crucial as it informs the way you analyze and interpret your findings. Step 2. Analyze your findings within the context of your paradigm. Next, analyze your findings within the context of your research paradigm. If you are working within a positivist paradigm, focus on presenting objective facts and statistical analysis of your data. If you are in an interpretivist or critical paradigm, emphasize the subjective meanings and interpretations derived from your findings. Consider how your research paradigm influences the lens through which you view and interpret your data. Step 3. Connect findings to existing literature and theoretical frameworks. To align your discussion chapter with your research paradigm, connect your findings to the existing literature and theoretical frameworks relevant to your field. Explain how your findings contribute to or challenge the existing body of knowledge. If you are working within a positivist paradigm, emphasize the generalizability and theoretical implications of your findings. If you are in an interpretivist or critical paradigm, highlight the insights and alternative perspectives your findings bring to the literature. Step 4. Address the limitations and biases of your research paradigm. Every research paradigm has its limitations and biases, and it is important to address them in your discussion chapter. Acknowledge any limitations or potential biases inherent in your research paradigm and how they may have influenced your findings. Discuss how these limitations affect the interpretation and generalizability of your results. This demonstrates a critical reflection on the strengths and weaknesses of your research approach. Step 5. Discuss implications and future directions. Finally, discuss the implications of your findings and propose future directions for research. Explore the practical, theoretical, and methodological implications of your study within the context of your research paradigm. Consider how your findings contribute to advancing knowledge in your field and suggest areas for further investigation. Writing a dissertation discussion. Chapter that aligns with your research paradigm requires a deep understanding of your paradigm. It requires careful analysis of your findings, connection to existing literature, addressing limitations and biases, and discussing implications and future directions. By following these strategies, you can ensure that your discussion chapter reflects the philosophical underpinnings of your research and contributes to the scholarly discourse in your field. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to learn how to complete your dissertation in 6 months or less.